Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you to all my subscribers for sharing my new video to your friends, etc. or your colleague who love to watch unboxing video. Yeah, and today I'm wearing, as you can see, I'm still wearing the same this Moschino tee. But if you yet to watch my unboxing video in the previous on this tee, remember to go back to my channel and watch the unboxing of my huge haul of my from Farfetch. And also today I'm wearing this track bag also from Moschino. Yeah, okay, because I filmed the last video and this one at the same time because I got some spare time. As you can see from the heading, today I'm going to share with you unboxing. This is not really a true unboxing because I already wore the shoe and also the slide from Givenchy. Yeah, but I just want to share with you guys and also how it look like, everything. Okay, so basically, I got a pair of Givenchy sneakers and also a slides from Givenchy. Yeah, so let's start with today unboxing. Okay, so basically it comes with this box, shoe box. So here is quite nicely printed on Givenchy Paris here, and also yeah, and the box is really good quality, you can see. Yeah, okay, so let's start. Okay, from this slide I already bought couple of months back, and I also wore a few times already. So yeah, I shall share with you guys how is it like. Okay, so basically it comes with a dust bag. Yeah, this is the dust bag to put the slide when you go for travel. So it's just a black dust bag, but and also printed Givenchy here. But the Givenchy is the wording is black in color, so you can't really see it. But maybe I show you nearer. Yeah. Okay, so this one is basically just come with one dust bag for this slide. So I'm not sure whether have you guys see this slide before. Yeah, actually it comes with a different color also. So basically this one is a rubber slide. So it's just is so-called it's embossed on the rubber. So it's written Givenchy Paris here. It's black. I bought the black color so because it's much easier to match also. And the words is like so-called like a little bit like grayish, or maybe very light blue, but more to from far you can see it's almost like gray. So basically this is the slide, and also below the slide you can see it's star all over and written Givenchy Paris. Yeah, and this is made in Italy. Yeah, okay, so this is the slide, how it look like. Basically for me this one is like I would say comfortable. Is it comfy? I think it's okay, but I think this is quite small, so maybe I would recommend, if you can, maybe you get one or half size bigger. But for me, I just get to true to size, but I find it a bit small lah. But if you guys getting, I would recommend you to get like maybe half size or one size bigger. So yeah, maybe I show you guys nearer. So this is the rubber black color, And it's so-called printed on. It's like gray, very light gray, written Givenchy Paris. Yeah, and actually the friction is all made up of all the stars. Yeah, it's more tiny stars. Sorry, it's a bit dirty because as I mentioned, I wore before already. But normally I will wipe it with a wet tissue to keep the shoes clean. So it's star all over, and here written Givenchy Paris. Yeah, and also here is made in Italy. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is how it like. And oh yeah, and also the side at the beside both near to the end, they written Givenchy Paris here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So let us move on to the next unboxing. This is a sneaker. It's also the box are same. It's also written Givenchy Paris here. Yeah, and it's white in color. Yes. Okay. So there is some like actually normally they will come with this. So like so-called the number, but they never put the shoe design there. So if you stack up your shoe but in the cabinet, so it might not be too easy, but you can see if you got, unless you got number pair of Givenchy shoe, so you might not know which one. But because some of the designer shoe, they put the picture here, like the Balenciaga, they'll put the picture there, so you know it's a Balenciaga shoe. So when you stack up in your cabinet, it's easier to find. So, but this one, I saw this one is made in Italy, and this one is made in Portugal. Yeah, okay. So, this one is also same. It come with one dust bag, but this dust bag is bigger. But depend on each different designer. Some they do give two dust bag, but for Givenchy, you only give one dust bag. Yeah, for the slide also, and this sneaker also only one. Yeah, only one dust bag, and also same, it's also black as the same as the slide. So here written Givenchy Paris here. Okay, so let's show you guys the sneaker that I got it. And this sneaker I also got few months back. Because that time I yet to start my YouTube sharing. So yeah, I found, oh, I didn't do this, so I share with you guys. So this is the sneaker. Yes, actually this one, I like it very much. This is like, this is slip on. So this one is quite, comfy. Actually, I find it very comfy. But I would say the first time or second time I wear it is quite tight, and also I got some blister. But after a few, after that the leather is became more seasoned. Yeah, then there's no such problem. Now I wear it, it's very comfy. So basically, I like this shoe is because it doesn't come with a shoelace. So it's just like a slip-on shoe. So you just have to put it on, then you do not need to tie any shoelace. Yeah, so basically this is also calf leather. So it's come with this big banner, then written Givenchy Paris here. This is black, and also the Givenchy here on the banner is printed on it. Yeah, actually I remember this shoe for this design, I think it's quite the first few came out with this. I think Givenchy is the first one. After that, like Gucci and also some other brand, they also come with this so-called this banner on the shoe sneaker. So Givenchy is the first one that I saw, and also know that they are the first to come out with this design, and follow the rest of the designer, they start following all this. Yeah, so basically inside is also brown in color. It's also calf leather. So and also below then just write Givenchy on Paris here. Yeah, but this one I saw from the box is made in Portugal. Yeah, and the back there is also Givenchy here in white, same color, white color, and on the top here there is some gold embossed here. They put Givenchy Paris, then followed by a small leather here to as a design. Yeah, so basically this is how it look like, and this is quite I would say it's quite easy to match and very comfy. Yeah, so I shall show you nearer how it look like. So this is how when you wear it. Okay, so I shall show you guys nearer. So this is how the sneaker look like, and also this is white in color slip on. So the banner is printed on Givenchy Paris here, then inside is brown in color, and also the below you can see here is, sorry, it's a bit dirty. So here is Givenchy Paris here, just like that, and also behind, then on the here they also write Givenchy Paris, and also there's also Givenchy Paris here at the end, and also these two so-called they tie a calf leather to decorate. Yeah, basically this is how this sneaker look like. Yeah, okay, yeah, hope you guys like my sharing of these two Givenchy item that I got it. Yeah, and thank you very much for watching my video, and remember to click the subscribe button and also the like on my channel, so it give me more motivation to share with you guys more unboxing video. Thank you, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.